Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about Pallava dynasty. So please go through whatever the slides have been given, and I request you guys to have a look on playlist. You will find various different topics, and check the description below. You will find all the videos in it. So the Pallava dynasty was ruled between 275 AD to 897 AD. So you'll find here about 800 plus question papers in it. Please go through them. So initially we have Mahendra Varman I. The founder of Pallava dynasty was Simhavishnu, who was ruled during the time of 6th century. He is also known as Avanisimha, that means Lion of Earth. Mahendra Varman between 590 to 630 CE was defeated by Chalukya king Pulakesin II. So we should remember here, as the founder of Pallava dynasty was Simhavishnu, but followed by Mahendra Varman I has come. So he was ruled and he was defeated by Chalukya king Pulakesin II. And he also wrote the play named as Matavilasa Prahasana. So this play, which depicts the delight of drunkards, and the capital of Pallava, what exactly the meaning of Pallava is? That is creepers. So the capital of Pallava was Kanchi, which is also known as Kanchipuram. Their inscriptions were made in the language that is Prakrit, which is very important. So their Pallava's initial inscription was in Prakrit language. He was great architect and built many temples and carved stones. He also made a pond named Mahendra. So we should remember, Mahendra Varman had built a pond which is also given the name as Mahendra. And he wrote a play that I already told, Matavilasa Prahasana, and defeated by Pulakesin II in 610 AD. He was a Chalukya king, and his son is overtaken or succeeded by Narasimhavarman. So we have to remember, his son's name is Narasimhavarman I, has taken over the empire. The contemporary of Harsha. Mahendra Varma I was the contemporary of Harsha, and Mahabalipuram caves were initiated, and they built those Mahabalipuram caves were constructed by Mahendra Varman. He started initiation, and followed by Narasimhavarman I is also known as Mahamalla. So Narasimhavarman I, 630 to 668 AD, he had ruled it. The strongest ruler of Pallava dynasty, that is Narasimhavarman, is also known as Mahamalla, which means the great wrestler. Next we have Vatapikonda. So Vatapikonda is the one which is very important. So which means conqueror of Vatapi. It's also known as Mahabalipuram. And captured Badami, the place which is known as Badami, he had captured and made a capital of. So we can think, as it is shown, that the Badami was the capital of Chalukya. That capital has been captured by Narasimhavarman I. Mahabalipuram was renamed as Mahamallapuram, that is 5 chariots. As you can see, chariot means Rath, and rock cut statues have constructed. As you can see to the right of this figure, one of the chariot. Narasimhavarman II was succeeded after Narasimhavarman I. He is also known as Rajasimha. So he has constructed the Kailashnath temple, which was located near Kanchi. There is a Shore temple at Mahabalipuram, that also constructed by Narasimhavarman II. There was a temple Airavateshwara temple, which is located in Kanchi, that temple has been constructed by Narasimhavarman II. And the Dandin was Sanskrit scholar who was sent to China. Our Sanskrit scholar, that is Dandin, had been sent to China for the cultural and constructional values. So next we have Mahendra Varman II, as it is. He was killed by Vikramaditya I, we should remember, Vikramaditya I is a son of Pulakesin II, Chalukya king. So he was killed by son of Chalukya's Pulakesin II son, that is Vikramaditya I. So Pallavas were the worshippers of, they worshipped Vishnu as well as Shiva, both the gods. And the art and culture during the time of Pallava, Nandivarman III was defeated by Pandyas. So Nandivarman III has come, he was defeated by Pandyas, and the last ruler of Pallava dynasty, Pallava king, Aparajita, was the last ruler of Pallava king. Temple architecture was in the style of Dravida style. You should remember, whatever the constructions have been made, and the temple architecture was in the style of Dravida. Mahendravarman I's reign shows the influence of the cave style of architecture. As you can see how the cave type of temples were built during that time. And the official language was Sanskrit, but whatever the inscriptions they were found in Prakrit language. So I hope this video will help you in identifying various information regarding Pallava dynasty. Thank you guys. You can call me on 7667302252 or message me by WhatsApp if you want 2100 of PDF of GK and GS questions. Have a good day. Have a great life.